joining this briefing. As you are all aware, the Chancellor of the Federal Republic of Germany, His Excellency Friedrich Merz, is on his first official visit to India after taking over as Chancellor. Notably, this is also his first visit to Asia after taking office last year. He arrived in Ahmedabad very early this morning, around 2 o'clock in the morning, and was warmly received at the airport by the Honorable Governor, the Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. The Chancellor is accompanied by a high-powered official delegation as well as a large business delegation, which reflects the importance that both sides place on the trade, business and investment side of the relationship. The timing of this visit is also particularly significant. It's taking place in the Silver Jubilee year, 25 years after the establishment of the strategic partnership between India and Germany. And it is also taking place in the Platinum Jubilee year, the 75th year after the establishment of diplomatic relations between India and the Federal Republic of Germany. And the visit, therefore, provides an opportunity to take stock of this very rich, very important partnership, and more importantly, to set an ambitious agenda and target for the future. The Chancellor had a busy program on the first day of the visit. In fact, he's still in the process of completing his engagements for the day. This morning, he was welcomed by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi at Sabarmati Ashram. The two leaders visited the ashram and paid tribute to the memory of Mahatma Gandhi. They visited Hriday Kunj, where the Chancellor was given a demonstration of the Charkha. And thereafter, at the Sabarmati riverfront, Chancellor Merz and Prime Minister Modi participated in the famous kite festival of Ahmedabad, which sees participants and visitors from around the world. Following that, the Chancellor and the Prime Minister held wide-ranging discussions in restricted as well as delegation-level formats, covering the entire spectrum of the bilateral relationship, as well as regional and global developments. And let me just give you a flavor of the discussions that took place between the two leaders. The Chancellor, for instance, remarked on the changing world order, the instability that global order is facing, and why in this context it is ever more important for India and Germany to take their relationship to a new level.